Monday, November 4th. Back to full class periods, and we open with completing the plate motion lesson 3.2 warm-up. This lesson, we will ask questions and obtain and evaluate information as we actively read a continental puzzle, an article about how Alfred Wegener used patterns in fossil evidence to develop his theory of continental drift. For homework, which for us is the final step in class, you will read Steno and the Shark to learn about the geologic timescale that can be interpreted from layers of rock. What that means in terms of actions is that you should actively read the article, actually articles in this case, that you see how fossils help map the past and rock layers help map the past, and that you understand how long a timescale we're talking about here. We will review lesson 3.1 because last week was conference week along with Halloween, so our brains may not have been primed to get everything out of that lesson. Once we review 3.1 and we complete 3.2 as we did in the warm-up entry task, make sure we hand that in. We're going to have a short discussion. There are two questions they posed to us about plate motion and understanding the past before we dive into the reading. Step 3, you're actively reading. I encourage you to highlight and annotate, knowing that at the end of this unit, you have a verbal argument. So not only are you writing, you're speaking, and you're going to want to have evidence and reasoning available to you and not try to go through the whole unit in your head by memory. Step 4, we discuss and respond. In other words, we come back together. They ask you how you felt you did with the active reading and how well you understood the article. We answer any questions. Then we hand that portion in. And then for the final step, again, they call it homework. You respond to both the timeline of Earth's history and get the screenshot, and you respond to the questions from Steno and the Shark article about tongue rocks and shark tooth fossils. Make sure you hand that in and then mark it as done in classroom, and that will be the end of the day.